All right, it says find the slope and the y-intercept of the equation. All right, if you are looking for the slope and the y-intercept, you want to put this in the slope-intercept form of a line, which is y equals mx plus b. The coefficient on your x, where that m is, there'll be a number. That is actually the slope of the line. And then the back half of the equation, the b back here, that is going to be your y-intercept. Now the basic equation does say plus b, but it's possible to have a minus b. If it's a minus b, you just take the minus as a negative sign. So what I have to do is take this equation of negative 3x plus 6y equals 6 and solve it for y. Make it look like this. Have y equals something x and then a something. So the first thing I am going to do is add 3x to both sides. Now on the left side, a negative 3x and a positive 3x, that just cancels out. So you're just left with this plus or positive 6y. I cannot add 6 plus 3x. These two things right here are not like terms. So I'm going to make it look like the mx plus b. Since I can't add 6 plus 3x, I'm going to write it as 3x plus 6. Just to make it look like the y equals mx plus b form. And now the last step is, and I'm going to rewrite this again so it's all in the same color of black, and I am now going to divide by the 6. Now what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So you literally have to distribute the division of 6 to every single term because you're dividing the entire side. So it's like distributing. If you multiplied something onto a 3x plus 6, you distribute it. So if you're going to divide 3x by 6, just distribute it. And on the left, 6 over 6 is a 1, y. And 1 times y is just y. And now what I'm going to do is simplify it. This guy right here. I've got 3/6. I can reduce that down to 1 over 2. So this literally becomes a 1/2 x plus, and then this guy, 6 divided by 6, that's just a 1. And now I can see that, go back to my highlighters, pink, the 1/2 is my slope, and the positive 1 is my y-intercept. So I would say that the slope is equal to 1 over 2. Remember, slope is a fraction. And then the y-intercept is at 1. Or you can say it's the point x is 0 when y is 1, if they ask for an ordered pair. So the y-intercept, it'll cross the y-axis at 1. That does not look like a 1. Here we go. There we go. 1. Or at the point 0, 1. Same thing.